Ang Amazon po nag-start with books. Ang Live Good nag-start with wellness products. In the next years to come, Live Good will be the Amazon of network marketing. In the next 2 to 3 years pa lang po, abangan nyo, Live Good will add more products and services. Magugulat ka. In the next years to come, alam nyo po, ang isang household, no, we will be the name, no, household brand ng bawat family globally. Pinag-uusapan, Live Good, Live Good, Live Good. Ano yung sabon mo? Live Good. Ano yung shampoo mo? Live Good. Ano yung vitamin mo? Live Good. Huwag mo nang antayin na dumating sa ganong panahon bago ka mag-join. Grabe, kasi pag dumating ka na sa point ng ganon, tapos sinimulan mo ngayon, ginawa mo na siya, you're earning $1 billion. Sabihin mo na ₱1 billion lang, no, in Live Good. Alright? So, ganun po yan.